Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on Samsung devices. Gemini, Google's advanced AI assistant, is integrated into your Samsung phone through various existing applications and features. You don't need a separate app to start using its powerful capabilities. We'll explore how to access these tools directly on your device, making your daily tasks easier and more efficient. Get ready to unlock the full potential of AI on your Samsung. You can access many Gemini features through your familiar Google Assistant. Simply activate the assistant and ask your questions or give commands. Additionally, Samsung's One UI incorporates AI tools, often powered by Gemini, directly into system functions. Look for these smart features within your phone settings and various Google applications, such as Messages, for enhanced communication and productivity. Gemini offers many practical applications right on your Samsung device. You can quickly summarize lengthy web pages or documents, saving you valuable time. Need help drafting an email or a social media post? Gemini can generate creative text to get you started. Plus, its real-time language translation capabilities make communicating across different languages incredibly easy and efficient, enhancing your global interactions. To truly maximize your Gemini experience, always keep your Samsung device's software updated. This ensures you have access to the latest AI features and performance enhancements. Google and Samsung are continuously rolling out new capabilities, so exploring your phone settings and apps regularly will reveal exciting new tools. Also, for those looking to deepen their understanding of personal finance, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.